I'm bulletproof.
Yo, bro, check this web. My life, brighter, my dreams, fractal, we know how to your move faster.
Alright, so the last time I kind of stopped the video a little bit in the middle of everything to like kind of clean up my area here. So I had to go to the store and get some bolts for in here. It didn't come in the kit, which is fine. I could just get some other bolts and I'll put this here for now. I'll pick that up later. But I got these bolts here, metric bolts. So that way I could get this thing mounted properly in here. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Let's check it out some more. Oops. Let's see if I can push it closer. Here we go. I just need to come up a little bit so that way the extension off the bolts. So I could just push them out and then I think that should do it. There you go. One bolt out. Then I could put these bolts in here. Oops. I have to jack it up a little bit. There you go. Big washer, lock washer. Should go on the other side. This. Oops. Oh. Alright, it's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to show you when I get it on here. The other side. I don't know where the other nut went. The other one. I'll try this again. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll go here, pick this washer, this one up. Let's see, let's try this again. Start. Okay, so we're gonna go underneath and see if we could maneuver this jack some more to jack it up. Let's see here. Let's try jacking this up one more time. See what happens. Some more tension on it. Okay. See if we could maneuver this jack some more. Get that down a little bit more. And then we go look. See if that bolt is not lining up yet, so I guess we have to jack it up some more and then see what happens. That might be right there. See if we could. There we go. That's it. So. Big washer, lock washer. I know it looks small, but it will pull in the whole thing and make it tight. Unless you just use this lock washer. Since you don't have enough space, I'll take the one off on the other side. And now we could tighten down this whole thing. Then we could go underneath and start making good mounting of the transmission, and then mount up the rest of the front end parts. There you have it. We have the front end in this video here. Now we have the engine inside, not the front end. So now we just go underneath and tighten up the rest of the parts on this one. front sway bar for this thing too, so just lower this down so it doesn't flip over when I put the legs up. There for now. So let's see what size this is right here. That looks like another number, 17 or a 19. Let's check it. Definitely a 19. So let's go get a wrench to hold the other side. Oops. Wrench is in here. Socket, change direction. And then that's tight on this side. Let's see what's happening. This side has the lock washer on there. I want to see how will it look, how much bolt will be exposed versus the other side. Flush. I don't know if you could see that, so I might put the washer on the other side. So I'll take this one back off. Oops. Let's see if I could get this washer to fit a little bit, so that way I could tighten it on there just like the other side. On there, and then we could make the transmission mount up so that way we could finish tightening the rest of the stuff on here, so that way the engine, so that way everything could be level. The transmission mount that I have is not perfect yet because I cannot find a bracket. Get some light under here. I'll get some light. So I couldn't find a bracket for this AR5, the bolt, the bracket here that goes down. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about right now. So this right here is the mount I have, but this is for a R154. Let's see if I can put this light on my head somehow. Turn it off. Nah, it won't go. So if I put this light here, should be just fine. So what I was thinking, I could see. I think it doesn't really matter what way it goes. But like, I was gonna mount it up like this, and then mount this here. Then I was gonna make a mount so that way this could fit in here, or see if I could find this bracket somewhere else, but I cannot find it nowhere online, which is crazy to me that I can't find it. But yeah, that's the hold up on this side. I'm gonna have to see what way they recommend this going. But Yeah, I know this is the wrong bracket for this, but I need a bracket that mounts to this mount here, which I cannot find for the AR5. And when I bought this transmission a while ago, I never got the bracket and I didn't pay attention to like right now when I'm installing everything. So I'm just gonna leave this jack here for now. Alright, so here we go. Come out here. Let's sort through everything. I'm gonna put the scan tool in this thing. Or I forget it, or I accidentally drop something on here and break it, because I'd be pretty bummed out if I break it. Secure, get this and the power probe out of the way. I'll just put them over here in the back for now. Put one there, out the way. Not the ideal place, but I'll get my broom here. Just push this. Got a bit right there for now. Okay, so drill bits. Let's see. They are right here. This is some of the drill bits. There's more in there somewhere. Let's see. What size is this? Okay, so I'm going to get my jack, because it's the only thing I can think of is to hold the this thing up while I make sure the mount is straight enough to drill holes with. Man, I got so much stuff everywhere. Put this box over here. Get this jack out. This is going to work because of how. As a matter of fact, let's just do this then. Let's lower this down. Let that thing rest on its own. Push this jack forward. Then jack it back up. So move this light out the way so I don't break it off. Okay. There we go. I think this is good enough. Oops. That looks pretty good. Make sure. I don't think it goes this far up, but let's go down a little bit. It's probably something like that, but it looks, can't move from side to side because it's holding on the other side. So let's do this. Sorry for the lighting, guys. I know it's kind of hard to see under here, but bear with me. So mount is here. And then I'm going to put this mount on top of that, like so, just like this. And then we let it as an oops, some nuts and bolts falling off. Let's put these back on real quick, because I'm going to use this top one to make a whole bracket, a metal bracket, so that I could mount it on there properly, so I don't have a rubber mount on top of a rubber mount. Okay, so that one's there, and then this one is here. Sure the nuts won't fall off again. And then here's tying these two down real quick. I know what. Okay, so those are tied. And then we're gonna go back in the dark one more time, see if I could get the light stationed somewhere in here. And then let's see, and then I think it should work. And now we jack this up, and then we make it straight. Here we go. Is somewhat straight. I'm going to put the camera down for like 2 seconds, and then I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to drill a hole and then get it mounted, and then I'll show you guys what's going on. So I went up top and I drill a hole from down here. And drill that hole. There's another one. Let's lower this jack some more. I think I got it. I don't think I need this jack anymore. So I drilled these 2 holes here to mount this bracket, just to see what I need to do to completely mount everything. See this transmission needs a little bit more centering too, so let's see. It's about there. Looks good there. It's like, I'll put this one here, like so. Just one washer. These are lock nuts. I have the little nylon in here. I don't know if you could see that on the video, but there you go. So I'm gonna put that other one on. Let me come out and get this jack out the way. I don't think I need it anymore. More nuts and bolts. Let's go put this jack back. Place. So now we're going back underneath. So I grab another washer, another jack. And then I'm gonna put this piece of it on here. Just a second, hold it. Put it on. Oops. This one should be, it's kind of hard to see from the video angle, but from where I'm sitting, I'm gonna drill a hole here. This looks pretty straight like that, so I just need to drill a hole here, and then get 2 more bolts, and then let's go get the drill, which is over here. I keep cleaning little by little as I go along, so if you guys see that in some of the video, the car, like, parts are moving around, stuff is getting replaced or removed. Let's go back under here, put this light here, put this here, second hole. Okay, let's go on top. Let's go on top. Put that there. And let's get the washer. Just like the other way. So it's behind the camera. Okay, 2 washers, 2 bolts. And these packages are labeled. They're labeled like with where should everything go. Okay, so here we go. Oops. Lots of razor blades. Bolts and stuff over there. Okay. This is the other side here. Let's see. Screw these in because the hole is like pretty exact. Screw. Get this in here like this, and then two washers, 2 nuts. Then we're gonna go under there, mark it out. Release the jack, see how everything turns out. Lights under here like this. Okay, so it's kind of there like this. Mop up everything like so. Then let's straighten this mount here. So mount. And let's start lowering it down. There we go. Alright, so we have a mock-up here, guys. So now we could start tightening down stuff just to see where everything lies. For now, we could remove this jack for now. And I think I'm gonna end this video here. And then probably in the next video I'll have everything bolted up properly. I'm just showing you my progress. It's a very exciting moment for me, having to mount this engine in this car. It's been a long time coming. I've been saving for parts for a very long time. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next.